Your calves can get tight for a number of different reasons, whether you're a runner or if you're doing any skipping or jumping, box jumps, anything like that, the calves may get just a little bit tight. So knowing how to release the tension on the calves with a foam roller is really useful. We've got 3 different variations for you to try out in this video. The foam roller I'm using for this, it is a long one, but actually with the calves it doesn't really matter. You can have the short ones for this because you just want to get it in and around the calf muscle, so you don't necessarily need the length. The foam roller increases the blood flow to the area and can just take the tension away. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. The first suggestion is placing your calf on the foam roller. So my right knee's bent, my hands are on the floor lifting my hips up, and it's my left calf that's on the foam roller. Now you want to use the foam roller and work through the full range of the calf muscle. So all you're doing is rolling up and down, so that's your basic technique. Now with this one you don't want to go behind the back of the knee, so I wouldn't go there, and really getting down around the ankle is just quite a lot of tendons, so you're not really going to get the best benefit. It's more, the foam roller is good for the muscle belly, so yeah, just to check that you're going the full length of the calf, but if it gets a little bit uncomfortable down around the ankle, then just don't worry so much about that area. Now the calf muscle rotates round, so it kind of wraps around, so you will need to rotate the knee and the foot out, so you can get the pressure on the outside part of the calf, and you can rotate and you can get the pressure on the inside part of the calf. When you're foam rolling, I would say just a minute or 2 at a time, and then you can move on to the other side. The second suggestion for the foam roller in the calf is to get the pressure on a tight area. So just roll around a little bit and then find where feels tight on the calf. Now for this one, you're just keeping the foam roller where it is, and then you're focusing more on moving the ankle. So you can pull your toes towards you, point your toes away. You can take the foot side to side, or you can go around in a circle, clockwise and anti-clockwise. And you're going to do that for a couple of minutes, and then you're going to move over onto the other side. So nice and easy. Your third suggestion for using the foam roller on the calf is to actually get a little bit more pressure on. If you're finding when you've just got that one leg on the foam roller and one leg on the floor, if you're finding it doesn't really feel like it's doing very much for you, you can increase that pressure. So right leg goes over onto that left one. And then you take the first 2 suggestions I've gone through, so you can either roll the calf up and down, remembering to rotate to the sides, or with that extra pressure you keep the calf where it is, and then you're focusing more on moving the foot up and down and round in a circle. So only do this extra pressure if you've worked on the calf muscles for a little bit, because if you do it straight away it can be just a little bit too intense. So try it out and see. You're just wanting what's comfortable for you with all of this. A minute or 2 on one side and then a minute or 2 on the other. Those are your 3 suggestions with the foam roller and using it on the calf. Try one or all 3, just see which one works for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you soon.